Just 4 hours from Hanoi lies in a hidden waterfall village that most tourists never see, crystal clear mountain water, bamboo houses, rice terraces, and one of the most peaceful places in Vietnam. This is Hieu Waterfall in Pu Luong, and it honestly feels like another world. This is the way to Hieu Waterfall. As we park motorbike and cars. And you will pay 20,000 for the parking fee of the car. If you think Vietnam is only about Hanoi, Ha Long Bay or Ho Chi Minh City, think again. Deep in the mountains of Pu Luong Nature Reserve lies Hieu Village, a tiny hidden paradise surrounded by rice terraces, jungle, and one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Vietnam. The water here stays naturally cool and crystal clear all year round. Locals still live traditionally, tourists are surprisingly few, and the journey itself feels like stepping back into untouched Vietnam. Today we are exploring Hieu Waterfall, meeting villagers, and showing you why Pu Luong might be the Vietnam's most underrated destination. Nowadays, to visit Hieu Waterfall, it is free of charge for the entrance tickets. Few years ago, when the waterfall was under the management of one family, at that time they will collect the tickets to go in. But now that family, they already moved to the new places, and then this place is free of charge. This is the second waterfall located outside of the entrance. This is how we're hiking up to the waterfall. The view around here is so beautiful, everyone. This is just only the beginning, and from here to the waterfall it will be 10 more minutes, only about 300 to 500 meters. And again, this is Liviu. Hi, Liviu.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Effie.
Cháu lên thôi, lên giúp tăng tứ.
Chào bà.
Chào.
Dạ.
Chào.
From the animal food,
Yes.
just for the cow. You know that's why in a local woman when older have a much cooking, yeah. Oh yeah.
Ôi,
Oh, chào.
Anh chị. Hi. Two of them. Not really. No. Also more tourists than here, but I mean, yeah. If you are looking for the real Vietnam, peaceful, authentic, and untouched, Pu Luong and Hieu Waterfall deserve a spot on your bucket list. This is on the way to go up to Hieu Waterfall, but the view is fantastic. These peaceful images you cannot find anywhere in the big cities. Oh, sorry guys, this is a Hieu Waterfall, and today the water is not much like in the rainy season, so you don't see many of them, but I think it is still worth coming here because the view around is really amazing. This is life and what you wish for, really amazing. Look at that, the water is so clear. But this is not only one waterfall. We still have this way. About 100 meters more, we go to see another waterfall up there. We will go together there, okay? Wow. When it is rainy season, this is very wet for everyone to go up. Hi. It's nice, right?
Very nice.
It's nice here, everyone. We are in the middle of the jungle. So nice here, everyone. Let's come and enjoy it. This is the second Hieu Waterfall, the upper one. And you can imagine when it is in the rainy season, lots of water running down and how beautiful it is. But as I said before, even not much water here, but it's still really nice with the beautiful, amazing view. So you should come here and experience that. What do you think about the waterfall even when it is not in the rainy season?
I think it's like the Bible, Adam and Eve in heaven.
Okay. It's really amazing, huh?
You know the Adam and Eve story?
Actually, I haven't watched that. But I know what you mean is it's beautiful. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about that place, this place, Liviu? Is it okay?
You are lucky
Okay.
that yes,
Okay.
a place like this, you have no 2,000 men.
In 2,000 people. I mean, like crowded. I mean, very crowded people
Crowded,
coming.
noisy, and
Yeah.
dirty.
Okay.
Now it's so clean and beautiful.
It's still beautiful.
Yeah.
Like the first men and women in the world.
Really?
Oh, Eva
That's what-
and
Eva
okay,
and
Adam and
Eve,
Eva.
that's what I said.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing. Now we're on the way back. After the second waterfall. Yes. Mũi thẳng ngoài này á. It's really lovely here, everyone. You should come and experience the waterfall because this is not really touched by the human, and everything here is still so natural, so remote, and not affected by the human yet. So you should come and then experience here. when we get here, we only feel like we are alone in the whole world. And this is the end of the video today. Don't forget to give me a subscribe and watch our next journey.